Okay, the Nippon-Denso alternator ended up working okay with the Motorcraft Ford regulator, but I did get some parts in, an actual whole alternator, a GM, and what I did is I kind of mixed and matched some parts that I already had to put together a working one. This is a CS130 alternator, one of the more modern ones the last years. I had a chrome one, but the regulator was bad, and I needed parts to rebuild the whole thing. The rebuild kit was $29, and then there was going to be another $9 for the slip ring to go on the parts. So I've actually found an alternator online. I rebuilt one for $38, which is working. I rebuilt. So the only thing wrong was it wouldn't really fit because the mounting bolts have to be 180 degrees apart, and this is definitely not. So they actually interchange and just have to be wired up. So as you can see on this one, the mounting bolts are 180 degrees opposite, so we can use this with the brackets on this engine. And I used those twist ties to tie together the wiring, since quite often we're changing, putting different alternators on, testing different things. Okay, so this uses a special plug, and then there's this one to adapt it to the SI style. And you need, like, one is a sense line, and the other one goes back to this ignition switch, and that comes on when it's not charging yet. So it just involved disassembling the front piece of this, and sticking it through the bearings, and then using a different pulley, because this used one of the serpentine pulleys and we're using the V-belt. Anyway, so it's got part of the chrome. I could have taken the rest of the housing and put that on too, but this was easy to do this way to get it going.